Jain class 6 students, how are you? Fine? Okay. Students, as you know previously, the yesterday video we will share the topics about what is the questions in practice zone and what is the answers, and on there I explain each and every question's answer. Okay. Now again we solve the last question of the practice zone, question 5, and question 5 what the says, how will you switch rows and columns data? How will you switch rows and columns data? अगर आप किसी भी प्रेजेंटेशन को बनाते हैं, ठीक है, और उसमें ये कॉलम का डाटा होता है और ये रो का डाटा होता है, अगर इसको स्विच करना हो, स्विच करने का मतलब ये होता है रो के डाटा को कॉलम में लेके चले जाना और कॉलम के डाटा को रो में लेके चले जाना। तो ये जो प्रोसीजर है ये कैसे होगा, ठीक है, वही क्वेश्चन कह रहा है। तो आंसर क्या है उसका? द आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन इज टू स्विच द रोज एंड कॉलम्स। स्टेप फर्स्ट, गो ऑन डिजाइन टैब। फर्स्टली हमें कहां जाना पड़ेगा? डिजाइन टैब में जाना पड़ेगा। सेकंड स्टेप इज सेज सेलेक्ट डाटा। वहां हमें कौन सा ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा? डाटा ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। आफ्टर दैट थर्ड, क्लिक ऑन द स्विच रोज एंड कॉलम्स। वहां हमें कौन सा ऑप्शन मिलेगा? स्विच रो एंड कॉलम का ऑप्शन मिलेगा। और अगर हम उस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक कर देते हैं तो ये हमारा रो का डाटा कहां चला जाएगा? कॉलम में, और कॉलम का डाटा कहां चला आएगा? रो में। ठीक है, तो ये चीज क्लियर हो गई। दैट आंसर इज क्लियर। फर्स्ट question is how will you switch rows and column data? So answer is to switch the rows and columns. Step first, go on design tab. Step second, select data. Step third, click on the switch rows and column options. After that your rows and column data has been exchanged. Okay, so A5 question is completed now. Second practice zone B set. In the B set, what happened? In the B set, the question is fill in the blanks. What is fill in the blanks? Now everyone see, here is right, A underscore is used to represent numeric data graphically. कौन सी ऐसी तकनीक है जिससे हम, कौन सा ऐसा टूल है जिसकी सहायता से हम न्यूमेरिक डाटा को ग्राफिक में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? तो न्यूमेरिक डाटा को ग्राफिक्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें जो ऑप्शंस यूज करना चाहिए वो कौन सा होता है? चार्ट ऑप्शन। चार्ट ऑप्शंस के द्वारा हम न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू को ग्राफिक्स में क्या कर सकते हैं? कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज चार्ट्स रिप्रेजेंट डाटा यूजिंग वर्टिकल बार्स। वर्टिकल बार्स का मतलब ये होता है, दिस इज द वर्टिकल बार्स। तो ये वर्टिकल बार्स किस चार्ट की सहायता से होते हैं? तो कॉलम चार्ट से। किस चार्ट की सहायता से होते हैं? कॉलम चार्ट से। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, so students, the third is the change chart type. The change chart type command is present on the which tab? So change chart type command is present on the design tab. Which tab? Design tab. The fourth is to edit data in a chart, click on the where. If you need to edit data, then also you just go on the layout tab. You just go on the layout tab, and the chart style group is present under the chart style. Okay, chart style group is present on the design group. So design, layout and design. After that, the C question is write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. Okay. The first statement is you cannot switch rows and columns data. You cannot switch rows and columns data. So it is a false. Why? Because the previously I taught here we have to able to change row to column and column to row to column and column to row. This features we have to do know already. So this statement is false, truly false. This statement is truly false. Second is to change the chart layout. You click on the quick layout button under the design tab. So this statement is true, because if you need to change the chart layout, so you have to go just where you go quick layout button under the design tab, because you know very well for the setting of the chart, if you need to setting any types of a chart, then you just go where design tab. You just go on the design tab. When you go on the design tab, then you just able to change the type. Next is what? The third is says it is not possible. It is not possible to change the type of a chart. It is not possible to change the type of a chart. So this statement is truly false, because you know very well in this statement you just see here change this. The change chart type command is present on the design tab, because here is a statement, we have the statement. If we want to change the chart type, then we have to do this thing. So it is possible to change the type of chart, but here is written it is not possible. What is written here? It is not possible. So this statement is false. What is this statement? This statement is false, students. Fourth line, students. Fourth line says the drop down arrows. The drop down arrows in the chart styles group. The drop down arrows in the chart style group allow you to change the chart style. The drop down arrows in the chart styles group allows you to change the chart style. This statement is true, because ड्रॉप डाउन मेनू पर जब हम क्लिक करते हैं चार्ट स्टाइल में, तो वो कई सारे चार्ट हमें दिखाता है, और जब कई सारे चार्ट दिखाता है तो उसमें से हम किसी चार्ट को अगर चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं. इट इज पॉसिबल टू चेंज द चार्ट. ओके, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. नाउ यू जस्ट सी द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट. द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट इज सेड the quick layout is present under the format tab. The quick layout is present under the format tab. So this is false. Because quick layout tab button under the design tab. Quick layout is present under the design tab. So students, today in the practice zone we have to clear practice zone A, practice zone B, practice zone C, and remaining D and E. There are two things are remaining. So you just complete at your home, match the following and such type of E. Okay, and if you need to help of me, then you just consult, okay, on the WhatsApp group. Either you may call telephonic, you just call to me, but up to the here you just complete it, okay. But you know very well what I need from your notebook. I need from your notebook only the question answer. No need to write, fill in the blanks, true and falses, match the following. That one thing you know understand. Okay, in the book, not write in the notebook. Notebooks only the questions answers. Understand, students? And you may listen carefully. This is chapter 3rd, and the chapter 3rd is on the basis of which the chapter 3rd is basis on the PowerPoint, and the topic in this charts. In the topic in MS Point, what? Chart. Chart is our topic. So again we repeat some things. Chart is what? Chart is a tool that is used to represent the numeric in the graphically. Numeric data in the which form? Graphically. Okay, and the name of some charts like that: column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, scatter chart. Okay, area chart. These are the some charts name you may learn. Okay, and question answer write on the notebook and send to me, and rest of remaining D and E you just complete from your books. Okay, so A, B, C in the practice zone of chapter 3rd we completed, and remaining you just complete from your home and send to me. And question answer written notebooks you just send to me, and fill in the blanks from the where? From the book you just take the pictures and send to me. Okay, and when you just do the practical of MS PowerPoint on the basis of chart making, then if you need to help, then you just consult to me. Okay, students, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, Jai Hind.